NDAX NFT support pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think NDAX only deals with crypto trading. The surprising truth is, NDAX now supports NFTs, offering clear and predictable pricing for collectors and traders. NDAX does not charge fees to store NFTs in your wallet. Marketplace fees for buying or selling NFTs are generally around 1% to 2%, applied only on completed transactions. Blockchain fees like Ethereum gas fees are separate and depend on network congestion. Using Layer 2 solutions supported by NDAX can help reduce these costs. Listing NFTs is simple. Upload your digital asset, set a price, and it's available for buyers. Purchasing NFTs is straightforward as well. Select your NFT, confirm the transaction, and fees are displayed upfront. NDAX makes sure there are no hidden charges, giving you full control over your spending. Security is a core focus. NDAX uses encrypted wallets and two-factor authentication, keeping NFTs safe while giving users control of private keys. This ensures assets are protected but still accessible for trading or transferring. In conclusion, NDAX NFT support offers a secure, transparent, and cost-effective way to participate in the NFT market. Fees are predictable, wallet storage is free, and supported networks help minimize transaction costs. For anyone looking for a trusted platform to manage and trade NFTs, NDAX is a reliable choice.